There are two types of financial decisions: the ones you regret immediately, and the ones that wake you up at 2:17 in the morning 5 years later.
And for some reason, life insurance seems to belong to both categories.
Today we are talking about the insurance decisions people second guess the most, and more importantly, whether they're actually mistakes.
Welcome to Life Unscripted, where we answer the questions you've Googled repeatedly but still aren't sure about.
Protectio.
Today we are diving into one of the most common themes we see online. Did I make the wrong decision?
Wrong policy, wrong coverage, wrong timing, wrong advisor, wrong everything.
The good news? Most insurance regrets aren't nearly as catastrophic as people think.
And a lot of them are actually fixable.
Yeah, Canada, what's good? Protectio. Protect what you love. Everybody say, protect what you love.
Let's start with the classic. I bought whole life when I was younger, and now I'm wondering if I made a mistake.
This comes up constantly, and the answer is usually more nuanced than people expect.
Because a policy isn't automatically bad just because somebody on Reddit doesn't like it.
What matters is, why was it purchased? Does it still serve that purpose? And does it still fit your life today?
A policy can be the right decision at 25 and the wrong fit at 45. That doesn't mean it was a mistake. It means life changed. This one usually starts with, I don't think I need this anymore.
And sometimes that's true. Maybe the mortgage is paid off. Maybe the kids are grown. Maybe retirement looks different than expected.
But before canceling anything, understand what you're giving up, especially if your health has changed since you bought it.
Protectio.
The cheapest policy you'll ever qualify for is usually the one you already have.
Canceling first and asking questions later is generally not the strategy we'd recommend. Retirement creates a lot of insurance questions. People leave work and suddenly discover their workplace coverage is disappearing.
Or they realize they haven't looked at their policy in 20 years.
The question isn't, do retirees need life insurance? The question is, what financial problem would this policy solve?
If pensions, investments, and savings already protect the surviving spouse, the answer may be different than it was 20 years ago.
Insurance needs change. That's normal. This might be the most emotional one. I should have done this years ago.
People say it after a diagnosis, a health scare, a birthday, or just putting it off for too long.
And while waiting does reduce some options, late isn't the same thing as impossible.
The second best time to start is usually today.
Not because everything is perfect, because waiting another year rarely improves the situation.
Protectio.
A lot of regret comes from one thing. People don't feel confident in the decision they made.
Sometimes that's because they didn't understand the product. Sometimes it's because nobody explained it properly. Sometimes it's because they got 5 different opinions from 5 different advisors.
Which, to be fair, is enough to make anyone question their sanity.
Confusion doesn't automatically mean you made a bad decision. It often means you need better information.
Protectio. New keys, new house, first snow, big smiles. Your people, your plans, all good. All right, life goes fast. Plan ahead. Protect today. Protect what you love.
So, if you're looking at an old policy and wondering, did I mess this up?
The better question is, what problem was this solving? And is it still solving it?
Because life changes, families change, goals change.
And good financial planning changes with them.
Most insurance regrets aren't permanent, they're just invitations to reassess.
If today's conversation helped you feel a little less uncertain, we did our job.
And if you've got a question you've been second guessing for years, send it our way. Protectio.life/contact.
Protectio. Protect what you love.